Welcome. In front of me is a Samsung Galaxy XCover 5, and today I will show you how to insert SIM and SD card into this phone. So starting off, you want to pop off the cover of the back. Now I already did it because I tried to record this video before, but the phone is so trash it couldn't read a SD card even though it was inserted correctly. So anyway, just pop off the cover. You can start popping it off right over here. Just pull it and it should come off. And from there you do need to take out the battery, as basically any device released in year 2021. That's sarcasm for people that don't know. And because no device literally needs battery removing anymore. So anyway, now going back to the actual insert of SIM and SD, we have two different spaces for SIM cards, so we can use two of them. So you can place one right here and one right here. Now when you're placing it right here, you will need to put it below the silver tray. So, like so. Push it in all the way. And just for the people that never seen this before, if you're struggling with pulling that card out because it sometimes might be difficult, there's only a slither of it showing up here. You have a little latch right on the silver tray. If I can show it, it's basically this thing right over here. So you can grab it, push it down, and the tray pops out. So it will make taking out the SIM card easier. Now anyway, for the SD card, put it on top right here. And just push it in. There we go. And now we can put our battery back in and turn on the device. Okay, now that the device is back on, we should see, there we go, the confirmation for the SIM pin. So it is reading the SIM card, no problem. Confirm that. Let's unlock the device. And we're about to see if it's reading the SD card or not. Oh, it is actually reading it. This time you can see message right here. Now if for some reason for you it didn't read the SD card when you inserted it, like it did for me when I tried to record this the first time around, there's a little bit of a I guess hack you can do. So without actually taking out the battery, you can take it out almost, which just gave a notification that it's removed, and then push it back in. And it should work no problem. And as you can see, it reloaded it and it's showing me again the message. So anyway, if you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.